see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Yan pa rin yung towel kasi naghuhugas and diniligan ko na. So, dadalhin yung... Ha? And... Ha?
God.
Baba! That's Australia. Wala kanina ba? Inaabot. Good morning, everyone! Nice and warm?
Yeah.
Wow.
Lots of bubbles.
Lots of bubbles. I can't see you, Zach. Ito yung gusto nila dito sa room kasi may spa. Ano pa lang, 8 o'clock. Wow, you're doing swimming, Baba? Wow. It's like the snow. A warm snow. Wow. Where's Square? Where did it go? Yun, it's a quick one. Nakabihis na pala ako, guys, kasi alis kami. Ayan yung mga bata, di ba kanina nag-spa? And nakabihis na lahat. Si Holly na lang ay aayusin ko yung buhok. Come on, Baba. Ayan siya. Alis tayo bilan namin sila ng damit kasi malilit na yung damit nila yung binili namin last year. Kasama sila Kobe, sila Sophie. Yung nag-shopping kami, yung mga damit nila hindi na. Yeah. Happy birthday, Cops. Did Daddy ring Kobe? Not yet? So, yeah, mag-shopping tayo ng mga damit ng mga bata. Come on, Holly! Rinig niya, tinatawagan nila si Kobe para igit na.
Hi, just say happy birthday to Kobe.
Okay, go. Quick.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Holly.
Happy birthday, Cobbs!
Cheers, Chona.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad. Okay, come on.
Can we turn my hair up, please?
Yeah. Tapusin ko na yung ayusin yung book niya. Come on. Kausapan nila si Kobe sa labas.
I gotta get a new hoop.
Hula hoop, yes! Nag-upload pala ako. 88% pa lang yung
Hey,
ating ina-upload. So, dadalhin ko siya para on the way sa mall. Nag-upload siya. And, ayan pala si Holly.
I know the car.
Show your outfit, Baba. Ayan yung nabili namin last year. Maikli na nga yung kanyang pants. Okay, let's go.
Bob.
Yeah. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung ating suot today. Tuloy lang. Igilid lang muna natin yung mga obstacles. Mga obstacles. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo kasi parang against light. Ayan. So, naka-leggings ako from Kmart. Tapos yung Tommy na shoes. Tapos, eto sa JJ's ko to nabili. And eto. And crossbody bag. So, yun lang. So, alis na tayo. Dali natin yung computer. Oops, natulog. Okay, let's go. Dito kayo guys sa aking lap.
You right, Bob?
And, ayan, 5 minutes left.
Okay, I don't like Dora.
Who's Dora?
TJ!
Kuya.
Oh, you can.
Hey.
I'm not Dora.
You're not Dora.
TJ's the Dora.
Oh,
Daddy's
wala na yun.
Dora. No! No, Daddy said he's having more shoes. No, I'm gonna buy those shoes.
Naalala nyo pala, nung birthday ni Zach,
You gotta find the ones with thick soles.
nung birthday ni Zach,
These are.
wala kaming regalo sa kanya kasi ang gusto niya ay shopping. So, eto na yung shopping.
I'm
Well,
gonna buy
Where do you wanna go shopping, Sa?
Marion.
Wow, social.
No, not Marion.
Yeah.
Yeah, inside Marion.
Yeah.
I'm getting a toy. Platypus. Me too.
So,
you're
yan.
getting a hula hoop. That's it.
No, we can get
Bouncy
clothes.
ball.
Bilang ko si Holly ng pants kasi bitin na yung mga pants niya.
I know one.
Yung last year wala. Ano lang talaga yung
I'm gonna get those.
ano lang talaga. Hindi nga one year kasi ilang beses niya lang nasuot ang mga pants kasi di ba nag-summer na.
No, no.
Everyone hates one.
What?
The yellow one.
No, the my big.
Yeah, that's shit.
Which one?
That's why I want mine. That's Zach's.
What are you talking about?
Oh, everyone hates my footy at school.
Yeah, it's too hard. Because you leave it out in the rain, mate. I'm on it anyway. I don't care. We'll just walk.
They make it shine.
What's that?
Wherever you go, and it does go. Oh, I saw a
And 2 minutes left. Ang tagal na.
Dad, look, there's tons there.
I know, mate.
Yeah, yes, wait. Can we go closer?
No.
No.
We're getting a park because it'll be full around that side.
Alright.
There's one there. Dad, there's
You can
Okay.
go just over here.
Yeah, oh my god.
I just know that that side will be full.
Alright. So which side?
We can just park here.
Lagi siya nagpapark sa malayo.
No, we'll go for a walk.
Yeah. Wala, andun yung entrance ng mall. Yeah, go there, honey.
Shush. There's entrances there, there's entrances there, there's entrances everywhere.
Grumpy old man. Why you laugh, Zach?
1.5 hours, no.
Like this one.
That's your favourite spot.
We always come in, don't you?
Yeah, parang last year dito rin kayo nakapark. Okay. Hintayin ko lang to kasi 2 minutes na lang.
Where we're going first?
Kailangan ko ito ma-upload kasi 3 araw akong walang upload sa aking channel. Sak! Lagi inaasar si Holly. Kanina, what did you do to Holly? Holly, what did you do?
Mushy in the bin. Oh,
Hey, I'll go for
Oh, careful, Sak.
No, he done that Pennywise thing. It was very scary.
Si Pennywise daw. Takot si Holly dun eh. Laging inaasar ni Sak. So, ayan. Tapos kanina, si Mushi,
Mommy, get down there.
linagay, hindi naman linagay, pero pumunta siya dun sa bin na ilalagay doon si Mushi. Umiyak si Holly.
around, mate.
Okay, so i-upload ko lang to. Oh, ayan na. Inaasar niya yun naman. Pero yeah, siya yung the sweetest na. Pero siya yung alaskador. Naiinis na sa akin si Jan. Kasi hindi pa siya ma-upload. Ayun. Siguro mamaya na lang kasi tingnan niya. Chine-check niya pa. Sige, mamaya na lang. I-sleep ko na muna to kasi si Johnny Boy ay tinitingnan ako ng masama. Sana ba yung sleep na muna siya. Okay, mamaya na lang guys. Ikaw ba naman yung tingnan ni Jan ng tiger look tapos sabihan ka pa, half day it's already gone because of you. Ako diba? Okay, shut na yung computer. You're hungry? Yes, okay. Sanitize, Baba. So, kain muna kami ng lunch na. Gusto niya na magtingin ng sapatos si Holly nagugutom eh. Yung boys hindi rin sila gutom kasi kumain sila ng crackers. Si Holly lang ang kakain kasi yung mga boys nga tsaka si Jan ako hindi pa rin ako gutom eh. Ay si Zach, ayan, kinuha niya na agad yung olives.
You can eat that.
Yeah, he loves olives. Same as mommy. No, not really. Siya lang ang mahilig dyan. Kumakain lang ako, konti. Pero si Zach na lang mahilig. You love it, right, Zach?
That's healthy.
Yes, baby. That's right. You eat that one too, right, Baba? Hinihintay lang namin siyang matapos, oh. No, you ask him, are you hot? So, no. Lamig-lamig. Ito si Jan. Bahala kayo magbitbit niyan. Wow, thanks, Kuya Zach. Wow. See?
See? She's hot though. Feel
It's not hot,
I went down here. And I could feel her.
Tapos ako magbibit-bit. Whatever. Mainitin yung mga katawan ng mga bata. Alam mo yung pawisin sila. Hindi. Ewan ko kung anong meron sa katawan nila. Winter dito, tingnan mo.
Lunch is only an hour away.
The yellow. The yellow.
That's do this when you get takeover. They can't. Well, exactly. When you get takeover, that half there, right under there, you'll watch this one. It's half there. Put that around like that.
Mom, this was that did to me last night.
No.
This was that did to me last night.
Just be careful.
Turn around, take a stop. Go around like that. Right. Around like that. Let go. That one there. That one over the back.
What?
That one forward. Righto.
Don't do that again, huh?
Just do.
Just gentle, please.
No, turn around that.
Like this thing.
Turn around that. And do it slowly. No.
Don't, ha? Don't.
Do it that. Bring that one over.
Ewan ko kung bakit tinutulan to ni Jan ng ganyan.
Pull that one.
Hoy, don't do that again.
That's what he did to me.
Don't do that. Ewan ko sa'yo, Han.
That's self-defense.
Self-defense daw yan. No, that's enough, kuya. Wag niyo po yung gayahin, kids, ha. Tinuturuan lang sila ng daddy nila ng self-defense.
Pull your pants down. You look like bloody boy. You go.
Tinuturuan talaga sila ni Jan ng self-defense. Kasi alam niyo ba si kuya na sa school, si kuya sobrang bait ni kuya. Hindi siya lumalaban. Ano kaya, inano siya sa ground. Yung pinatumba siya sa ground, tapos hinit siya ng school uniform na jumper. Tapos hindi siya nagsalita muna nung pag-uwi niya sa bahay. Tapos bigla na lang siya nung parang sabi niya, I'm so upset, sabi niya. Tapos sabi niya, what's wrong? Ayun, sinabi niya na. Kaya ngayon, tinuturuan sila ng self-defense. Sana, wag naman nilang gamitin sa, alam niyo yun? Kung madada naman sa usapan. Pero si kuya lang beses na kasi yan umuwi na, na parang ang lungkot niya pag umuwi. Tapos pag tinanong ni Jan, una hindi siya magsasalita. Tapos pag parang hindi niya na kaya, magsasabi na siya. Hindi kasi yan lumalaban si kuya eh. Right, Zach? He went home that really upset because someone knocked him on the ground or kicked him. Right?
Yeah, every time he's like that, you like.
How about you? What you gonna do? Are you gonna fight back?
When he goes angry, I can still beat him.
Oh, that bit?
No, I mean, Kuya TJ, don't fight with someone, right? Right? What you gonna do? Are you gonna protect your...
If the football to big kids.
Yeah, who?
A
A naughty kid.
that would bash people.
Oh wow, bash people? Oh my God. Come on. Oh wow, let's go down. Tapos na si Holly. Tapos na siya mag-breakfast. Okay, let's go. Follow Daddy. Nice one. Ah, yeah. Okay.
Scar.
Harris car. Tinuturo ni Jan kasi
Might
sabi...
find those clear glasses too. Oh, look, Jack.
Jack! Look, Target. Target. Kasi wala na kaming Target, di ba? So, na-miss na ni Sak mag-shopping sa Target. Punta ko mamaya dyan sa Harris car. Pasok muna tayo dito sa Target. Look at this. You want this? Here. Kuya. Yeah, but you need pants. La, yeah, you got pants. Tingnan niyo yung pants niya. Bitin na.
Oh, these.
Mom, this is tiny.
Here, Han. Blue. Kasi kailangan ni Kuya blue para sa school.
The old 12.
Ah, there.
Yeah, that will be
That's not the
long.
blue you want.
Yeah, you want the darker one.
It should be different.
They really have those.
Yeah, they do. Meron na sila niyan. Oh.
Mom,
No,
this
Fortnite.
one's tiny.
Ha?
This one's tiny.
Diba? Hindi niya naman alam kung ano yung gusto niyang kunin. You want this one? Gusto niya to, oh, yung PlayStation. What size? Size 9. Maybe I'll get you 9.
Get 9.
Yeah, okay.
Ma.
Walang size 9. Ang nandito ay size 10. Okay, try niya daw.
This doesn't look like size.
It is.
Where it has, it says size 6 on it.
Huh? Kasi pag kinuha ko siyang size 8, bilis lang niliitan niya yun. Agad-agad. Alright? Yeah. Wait. Let me see. Ask Daddy. Where's Daddy? You think alright? You like it? Okay.
Can I get a t-shirt?
Of course. Huh? Pardon? Yes. Huli na yung kanyang regalo. T-shirt here. What color you want? Yeah, get that one. Get that one. You found trackies?
Zach only gets 2 because there was only 2 9s.
Alright.
Only 2 9s, so I couldn't get any more. Zach a 9?
Look what,
Yeah.
look what he's getting.
PlayStation.
Do you reckon you're a 9, Zach?
This is size and it's alright. He tried it. It's alright.
Wait, what is that? I got this PlayStation.
So these are cool boys.
Look at that. Look. Wait, look. Look at that.
Didn't you have one of these?
Yeah, a gray one.
No, his is different because I'm grey. Mom,
Tingnan mo siya. Kanina niya pa yung hinahawak. Well, they don't have it, so just get that one. Get the black one, long sleeve, and then,
Dad.
huh? This one pa? Fortnite?
Yeah, where?
What?
I like that.
You like Fortnite? Okay. Get the size 9 sack. And t-shirt. They have blue. You want blue? Huh? Blue is ugly. That's Daddy's favorite color.
What's that?
Ano? You don't like this? Wala kasing black. Malalaki na yung black. Size 12.
I
Yeah.
want the color of my PlayStation.
Red.
No, black.
Your PlayStation is the remote control is red.
Yeah, but I want it black.
No, I want black.
My PlayStation.
Only $12.
That's their
That's
school.
cheap.
At least they got trackies for school.
Oh yeah. I hope they're gonna wear it.
They will wear it. I'll make them wear it.
Okay. Sak here. I like this white one, Sak. Can you, yeah, get that one. Can you try it first? 9, it's alright. Can you turn around? Turn around? Yeah, okay. Dapat kumuha tayo ng cart. You should get cart, Sak. Cart? Push cart? Tingnan mo, hindi pa siya umaalis dito, oh. How about that one? Oh, no, you don't have Xbox. Gusto niya talaga kaso wala ngang black or white. Huh? If it's black, you will get it. Walang black. Alam niyo, ang arte na ni Sab, namimili na to. You want it? Oh. Size 10? Huh? What? Size 10. Are you sure? Parang malaki. Okay. Get cart. Oh, tingnan mo talaga. Pinipilit niya makahanap siya ng that size 12. Gusto niya talaga yung black. Go get the 12. Let's see. It's too big, yeah. Way too big. Well, better luck next time. Come on. Hold that one, please. Yung mag-amaan doon. Over here. Pinakuha ko si Kuya ng cart. What, hon? Oh, what's that, Papa? Oh. What do you mean looks cool tonight?
Some nice ones around here.
What he's wearing is cool, honey. Come on, Baba. Na. Hanapan ko raw si Holly na cool stuff. Sabi ko, ano ba yung damit ni Holly na gusto niya hanapan ng jeans? Wow.
Come here. Come here.
Wow. Wait, Baba. Daddy's looking something for you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, kailangan daw yan ni Holly.
Mom, I'm gonna show you something.
Size 4 or 5 at least. Yes, Baba. Yeah, okay. Oh, thanks, yeah.
What you get, Jack?
Oh,
Pretty.
yeah, but it's not summer, Baba. Mom. Yes.
Look, Mom.
Size 5, hon. Let me see size 4. Wait, Baba. Size 4 is alright. Size 4 is alright, hon. Look. Hold it, Baba. Size 4, I think it's alright. I think 5.
5. What about 4?
Oh, ano lang yan. Next year, hindi na yung kasya sa kanya yung size 4. Eh, eto cute to, oh. What size did you get, hon? 4? Okay. Yes. Where? May nakita raw siyang nice one dito.
Mom, look.
I know. Yan mga gusto niya eh. Eh, si Daddy gusto niya yung parang sporty yung outfit mo. Holly. Bluey.
Guys, do you have footy?
Where? Pink. There. May nakita raw siyang pink leggings. Over there?
Oh, I told you that.
Where did you
Hinahanap ni Jan yung nakita niya raw na pink leggings. Saan niya kaya yung nakita? Where did you see it, hon? This one, Baba, look. Ay, ang cute. This one, look. This is cool. You want this one?
This is for, not for winter.
It is for winter. Come here. Yung jeans niya is size 3. Meron ako nakitang size 4, pero parang ang laki para sa kanya. Ito, oh. Turn around, Baba, please. Ayan, oh. Can you try this, please?
I don't want to show
Please.
them.
We're gonna hide somewhere. Okay? Dito ko pinasukat kay Holly. Nilagay namin yung yung card pa hindi siya makita. And ayan hindi maganda yung sukat sa kanya ng size kasi tingnan niyo oh. Ang ganyan, tas
Hey, I won't take it off now.
ito size 3 to. Ito size 4. Di ba nakakaloka ang mga sizes? So ito naman yung size 3. Ang pangit na fitting para kay Holly tong ganitong jeans. Maganda sana mga ganito.
Because I am 4.
Yes, I know you are 4. This is size 3. Pero no, it's pangit.
No, it's not hanging.
It is. Look, turn around. See? Oh, see? Oh, see? Oh. Pinatry ko. Ayaw niya ng black. Ito. Can you?
What's wrong? Can't get a black. What's wrong with the one over there with the 18th?
Where? Okay. Huh? How about that? That one looks nice, Baba. Oh, ito daw. Size 5. Size 5, too big. So, I'll get size 4. Okay, ito raw sabi ni Daddy. Okay. This one. Baba. So, ayan yung gusto niya dyan. Oh, Daddy wanna see it, Baba? Big? A bit big? Parang ang laki. Alright, size 4. Alright? Nakapagod. Parang ako yung parang ako yung nagsukat. Oh. Okay, wait, Baba. I'm just gonna put this back here. Ito, maganda tong leggings kasi makapal siya. Maganda siya ngayong winter. Ito, size 4. Baba! Can you try this, please?
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't want to take it off.
Yeah.
Ayun yun naman. It's nice because it's
Yeah, I'll see that.
thick. Nice for... Wait, I wanna... Can you... Turn around. Turn, okay. Ayun yun na magsukat. Turn around. Just turn around.
Why are you up so high, bud? Go down a bit.
Like this.
Yeah.
It's alright?
Wait, Holly, we have to.
3.
No, that's the fine.
This is size
She's
4.
growing.
She's growing. Ang haba naman. Baba, come here. Here, Baba. Holly. Holly. Holly.
Holly.
Come on, Holly. I'm just gonna... Holly.
Holly, let's go. Hurry up.
That will be 200. There's a pair of heels already wearing.
What are they?
Size 3.
Get the 4.
Ayun na dyan. Size 4. Ang haba. Gusto ko yung fit na fit. Okay.
Mom, we'll just be at Rebel.
Okay.
I was sitting.
Okay, Baba.
I can't.
So kami na lang ni Holly natira dito sa Target. So dito na siya, nakaupo na siya, tsaka si Mushi. Hanap pa tayo ng damit niya. Jumper. Ito. Si Jen ayaw niyang pasutin ko si Holly ng mga ganito. Meron dito si Holly yung white. Siguro nakita niyo na yun. Nakaupo na dun si Holly girl. Ito maganda rin ito white. I like white. Cute siya. Si Holly may ganito.
I already have that.
I know. Pero ayaw niyo yung eto kasi parang naano raw siya, na-choke. Hindi kasi siya sanay. So pag nasanay siya, maging okay rin siya. Kaya ang cute nito, yung mustard. Maliit. Leggings. What this, Baba? You like this? So ano siya? $18. Tatlo na siya. Size 4.
Okay, let's check more stuff.
Wow. Okay. Baba.
No, I don't.
You don't? How about this one?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Size 4. This?
Yeah.
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love. It's that TLC. You're my favorite song. You're my therapy. Music
Huh?
I was not crying.
Nakakuha na sila ng sapatos, guys. What do you think of this one?
Yeah.
Looks nice. This is size 5. Wow.
They never out.
So cute.
Mom, Dad,
Yeah, why the same?
Dad, do I have this? This was 5. I already have this.
Let me see, Zach.
I already have this.
What do you mean?
This.
You haven't got that.
It's nice. Hinahanapan niya si Holly ng pajama. Parang walang size siyang makita.
Here.
5 na lang.
Oh, look, sugar.
Look at Baba.
Oh, yummy picture.
So, tapos na tayo dito sa Target. And, ayun na yung mga nakuha namin dito. I know. Looks so cute. And, si Jan, ayun, nabilhan niya na ng sapatos yung mga bata. Nag-offer siya raw magtutulak to. Papa John's.
Seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous.
Oh,
Alright. Baba, wait.
that's some serious bags of clothes there.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay.
They grow,
See ya.
They grow every week.
My son's birthday tomorrow and he's 9.
Oh. Thank you. So, ilalagay lang to ni Jen sa car, tapos imimit namin siya sa food court.